Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Another tool that helps you complete the most common tasks in QuickBooks is the icon bar. The icon bar appears at the left side of the QuickBooks window by default. However, you can also place it at the top of the window if you prefer. Note that changing its placement does impact some of its functionality in QuickBooks. The icon bar can also be hidden if preferred. When placed at the left side of the QuickBooks window, you will see the search box shown at the top of the icon bar. Below that are the icons for whichever section you currently have selected in the listing shown at the bottom of the icon bar. You can click one of these choices to change the icon shown. The choices are My Shortcuts, View Balances, Run Favorite Reports, and Open Windows. When placed at the top of the QuickBooks application window, you will only see icons available for the My Shortcuts section, followed by the search text box. To change the placement of the icon bar or change its visibility, select the View command in the menu bar. Then select either Top Icon Bar to place it at the top of the window, Left Icon Bar to place it at the left side of the window, or Hide Icon Bar to hide it. You can choose to display it again if hidden by selecting either the Top Icon Bar or Left Icon Bar commands to enable its display and placement. The icon bar contains buttons for some of the most frequently used features of QuickBooks. You can hold your mouse pointer over any button without moving it to view the description of the button in a little box called a screen tip. You can customize the buttons in the My Shortcuts section of the icon bar to add or remove buttons you want. To use the icon bar, click a button to open the associated window. For example, to open the home page, click the Home button in the icon bar.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.